Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be going over all the legal documents we've collected involving Tariq Hayward, aka Scar in the Woods. We'll be breaking down each case and addressing each charge individually, so let's get started. Let's start with the eviction cases. There are 3 instances where South End Apartment Owner LLC filed for summary ejectment against Scar in the Woods. The first case was filed on October 30th, 2023. A hearing took place on November 20th, 2023, where the court ruled in favor of the plaintiff, leading to an eviction. The second eviction case, filed on June 22nd, 2023, had a different outcome. The plaintiff voluntarily dismissed the case on July 10th, 2023. The most recent eviction case was filed on November 5th, 2024. A hearing was held and the court ruled in favor of the plaintiff on November 27th, 2024. Now let's talk about the traffic violations, which make up a significant portion of these cases. Tariq was initially cited for failing to stop at a red light. The charge was later reduced to an equipment violation. Despite multiple hearings and a failure to appear notice, the case was resolved on July 31st, 2024, with all fines paid. A 2018 citation for not wearing a seatbelt led to a failure to appear notice. Eventually, the charge was dismissed in 2019 as part of a plea deal. Scar was cited for driving without a license and failing to update his address. The no license charge was dismissed, but he was found responsible for the address violation and fined. In 2018, Tariq was charged with speeding 21 miles per hour over the limit. The speeding charge was dismissed as part of a plea agreement, but he was fined for failing to update his address. There is an ongoing case from December 26, 2024, where Tariq is cited for operating a vehicle without insurance. A court hearing is scheduled for March 28, 2025. Let's move on to the criminal charges, some of which were dismissed while others led to penalties. A 2015 curfew violation case resulted in multiple failures to appear, an arrest order, and ultimately was dismissed in 2016 due to insufficient evidence. In 2019, Hayward was arrested for assaulting a female. He was released on a $2,000 bond and the case was dismissed in 2020 due to insufficient evidence. A similar threat-related charge in 2017 resulted in arrest, but was dismissed after the prosecuting witness withdrew. Tariq was arrested in 2017 for property damage, released on bond, and the case was dismissed a month later at the request of the victim. A 2018 charge for possessing up to a half ounce of marijuana was dismissed when the officer failed to appear. Scar was charged in 2018 for driving with a revoked license and using a fake tag. Both charges were dismissed in 2019 as part of a plea agreement. In 2018, he was separately cited for possessing a fake registration. This charge was also dismissed under the same plea deal. In a separate 2018 case, Tariq failed to appear for a charge involving a fake registration card. However, the charge was ultimately dismissed in 2019 as part of a plea deal. A bond forfeiture case remains active, with a financial balance due as of February 12, 2025. Tariq was arrested in 2018 for felony drug possession. The case was dropped in early 2019 when the prosecutor declined to move forward. Scar initially faced felony larceny charges, which were reduced. He entered an Alford plea, was found guilty and sentenced to probation, community service, and 15 days in custody. In 2019, Tariq was arrested for making threats. However, the case was dismissed due to lack of evidence. A 2020 case for driving without insurance was dismissed due to the court's closure from COVID-19. So that's the breakdown of all these legal matters. As you can see, some of the cases led to penalties while others were dismissed. If you found this information useful, be sure to like and subscribe for more updates. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.